evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to everyone present here. I, Gaurika Sharma, along with my co-anchor, Aheli Ganguly, are truly delighted to welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of Ritika 2025, a convention come fest of media students that celebrates creativity, culture, and communication. Today marks the grand final of this vibrant and inspiring journey, where imagination and innovation have come together to create unforgettable moments.
Indeed, Gorika, Vritika has always been a platform where budding media professionals showcase their talent, passion, and dedication. On the past few days, we have witnessed a beautiful form of art, intellect, and expression. From thought provoking discussion to immersing performances and exciting competition, each event is a reflection of creativity and vibrant spirit of the students.
Today, as we gathered for the special evening, we are honored to have among us our distinguished guests, respected faculty members, and all the bright participants who made this festival a grand success. Your presence adds grace to this journey.
Before we begin with the formal proceeding, let us take a moment to reflect on the journey of Ritika 2025. It has been more than just an event, it's been a celebration of learning, teamwork, and expression. From creative competition to cultural performances, each segment has inspired us to think, create, and connect. Here, I would like to thank our sponsor, Putronics, our gifting partner, Lakshmi Graphics, our printing partner, media partners, Who's That 360, News Munni, Global Bharat TV, Rashtra Dharma, Samachar Varta, and Inkpost.
Guys, can I have attention of all of yours, please? We have our guests over here and we have started our program. Please pay attention here, guys. Thank you. And now, as we step into this evening of a gratitude and celebration, let's join hands to honor the achievements, acknowledge the efforts, and cherish the memories created during this edition of Vritika. We promise you an evening filled with the performances, recognitions, and moments that will stay in your hearts forever. The valedictory ceremony of Vritika 2025 stands as a testament to the creative spirit, dedication, and teamwork that defines the DME Media School family. We should we would like to welcome our chief guest, Professor Dr. K.G. Suresh Sir, guest of honor, R.J. Ashish, our internal members, Honorable Justice Bhavar Singh Sir, Director General, DME, Professor Dr. Komal Vig Ma'am, Director of DME, and Dr. Parul Mehra, Head of DME Media School. Here are the highlights. We are going to inaugural ceremony of the Vritika 2025, which on 11th of November. Let's enjoy some wonderful glimpse of a Vritika Day 1. Guys, I want all of your attentions on the screen now. To set a serene and auspicious tone for the evening, we begin with the Kanda dance performance by Rajshri and Arjun. This soulful presentation beautifully captures the vibrant culture, rhythm and grace of the South India, a region known for its classical, traditional and artistic excellence. So sit back and let the music, moments and colors transport your land.
തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ കാന്താ തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ
പൂരമെനീക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത
പൂരമെനീക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത
പൂരമെനീക്കൊന്നു കൂടണം കാന്ത
പൂരമെനീക്കൊന്നു കൂടണം കാന്ത
തിമിലയെനീക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത
വിലയെനീക്കൊന്നു കാണണം കാന്ത
തിമിലയെനീക്കൊന്നു കൊട്ടണം കാന്ത
വിലയെനീക്കൊന്നു പൊട്ടണം കാന്ത കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ കാന്ത
That was truly mesmerizing performance, a perfect way to commence this event filled with art, talent and celebration. Now as we move forward, it's time to hear from someone who has been inspiring, guiding through this journey. We would now like to invite Dr. Parul Mehra ma'am, head of DME Media School, to deliver her address.
Check. Our chief guest of the evening, Professor K.G. Suresh sir, a media stalwart and a veteran in the field of media, famous voice and heartthrob of radio industry and a social media influencer, R.J. Ashish is also here. Director General DME, Honorable Mr. Justice Bhavar Singh sir, our Director Ma'am DME, Professor Komal Vij, my dear students and all the participants who are here, very good evening to all of you. It is definitely a sheer happiness to share with all of you that we have created yet another memorable Vritika that has been hosted by DME Media School, Vritika 2025. Give a huge round of applause to all of you to your own self. So this convention cum media festival was definitely not an ordinary media festival. It was meant and it was planned with a vision to facilitate the deliberations and lots of discussion, and the purpose was to make our student media literate, and I am very happy to share that we have successfully achieved that also. This two-day media event was totally academic in nature. Directly, indirectly, our purpose was to make our students learn the different areas and the nuances related to the field of media. Yesterday, the inaugural ceremony has taken place with very prominent media professionals like Akhilesh Sharma ji, Amit Bhatia ji. Then we had Bhavna Sharma from Doordarshan and Mr. Rohit Ranjan from News Nation. And the deliberations were very good, in fact unforgettable for the students. And today we have extremely versatile media person with us, Professor K.G. Suresh, who has covered a very long journey in the field of media, currently a director with Indian Habitat Center. I think I have met sir many times, and every time when I meet him it's a new learning, because he's a bundle of knowledge and lots of experience. Thank you KG sir for joining us today and accepting our invitation, and I know evening hours are really very busy for the director of Indian Habitat Center, but then you are here with us. Thank you very much sir. young and dynamic RJ Ashish, I think is the youth icon of radio industry and a very, very popular social media influencer. I also follow him and I'm very fond of his content. I know in the entire crowd is eagerly waiting for him to, speak. So bang on, it's time to, wrap up and just be with him. This is all his stage later. So I would just like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all my seniors and internal dignitaries of DME who have always been support to us, our Director General Justice Bhavar Singh sir and Komal ma'am. So thank you all of you and thank you to the panel members once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging and heartfelt words. Up next, we humbly request our Honorable Director General, sir, to bless the occasion with his words of wisdoms. So please. Give a huge round of applause for the sir, guys.
Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. K.G. Suresh, Mr. R.J. Ashish, Dr. Komal Vich, Dr. Parul Mehra, their guest faculty members, dear students, I welcome on behalf of DME and Sunshine Educational Society, Dr. K.G. Suresh, who is the chief guest of this event, and welcome you all. I know you will not be in a mood to hear any speech. You don't want to hear but want to see and watch. So I wish you good luck and best of luck. Valedictory is a function to say goodbye for the two-day events, which was comprised of many events like debates, photo sessions, etc., etc. So this is the time for you now to enjoy. I wish best of luck to you, all of you. And once again, I thank on behalf of DME, Dr. K.G. Suresh and Mr. Ashish for having spared their time for us. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Much so. Now it's time for one of the most significant moments of this evening. Welcoming our chief guest, we are truly privileged and deeply honored to have among us an eminent personality whose contribution to the field of media and communication have been remarkable. With a huge round of applause, please extend a warm welcome to Professor Dr. K.G. Suresh Sir, Director of India Habitat Center, a distinguished media academician, visionary leader, and respected journalist. He was the former Director General of IIMC, and under his leadership, the institute reached new heights.
Thank you so much. Very good evening to all of you. I don't want to ask how is the Josh because I know it's very high. Right. I know that you are all waiting for the, the great evening that you have all been waiting for. So I don't want to, bore you to death with a long speech. But I just want to say a few things. Since I've come all the way, I'm sure you would give me a couple of minutes. Honorable Justice Bhavar Singh ji, our guest of honor, R.J. Ashish, we have the dynamic director who has recently joined. I am part of the family. It will take me some time to, come to Parul. Parul ji is a well-known media educator. Dr. Sahai is there, Dr. Garima, all esteemed faculty members, and my dear students. Generally festivals are you actually look forward to. In the song that you portrayed here, it has gone viral, I know. This Kanda Jnanam Varam Trishur Puram Ninde Kude Kanan. है ना? This is the song, it has become viral, I know. And what is it talking about? It's talking about the Trishur Puram festival where we have hundreds of elephants which are lined up. It is a beautiful festival of Kerala. So this is also a festival. So you have actually started the festival valedictory with a festival song. And I can tell you that as students, you may forget what you learnt in the classroom, but you will never forget these festivals, these events, all your life. I can say it from my personal experience. My own daughter, when she went to college, till then she was a very reserved person who hardly used to talk to, people. Then she opened up, and then she used to tell me, after going to college and participating in the events, I realized that I have a potential in theater. I can, I have communication skills. Because these events give you a platform to showcase your innate talent. So to that extent, I think that these festivals are very important. And the other thing is that apart from classroom teaching, this gives you an opportunity to intermingle, to meet fellow students from other institutions. So this is a great opportunity. And I'm sure that, these 2 days, you have actually enjoyed not only just the participation part of it, but also the interaction with students from all over. I just want to say just few things before, I say I wish you all the best. And that is that most of you, I am told, are media students. And I can tell you that for some of you, this may be the last festival in this college. You may be in the final year. But I want to tell you that it is not just your academic part that is going to take you through in life. It is your ability to multitask, your capabilities. I can tell you one thing, as somebody who has hired talent from all over the country, somebody who has headed some leading institution, I picked up one of my faculty members from an institution in Noida where they had invited me. I had gone there, she was anchoring the show, and I was watching it. I was so impressed that when she came to meet me after that, I said that, "Are you looking for a change?" She said, "Yes." I said, "This is my card, come and meet me." Because this is where talent is spotted. So you never know who is sitting in your midst. Maybe RJ Ashish, he is looking at some very good talent for podcasts, for radio shows, and in one of you or two of you, he may find that talent, spot that talent, because our eyes are trained to spot talent. So you may be identified and you will get an opportunity to, to join some very good institution. So don't take this just as fun. This is fun, certainly, yes, but along with fun, this is also the place to showcase your talent. I wish you all the best. I'm sure we are going to reward some of the winners here, but winning is not important. It is participation in such events which is more important. You have to be part of the, you are not in a race. You just have to be part of that life, that journey called life. And I'm sure that this college life is a great journey that's going to shape up your future. I wish you the very best in life, and thank you for inviting me. God bless.
Now I request all the dignitaries members, please come on the stage to felicitate us, sir.
Honorable Director General he just informed me that couple of years back, Vritika was hosted at the India Habitat Center. I want to extend an invitation to you that let the next Vritika be at India Habitat Center.
Give a huge round of applause.
Everyone give a huge round of applause for Professor K.G. Suresh. We have with us RJ Ashish, radio jockey and a social media content creator. It's an honor for us to have here with us RJ Ashish. Give a huge round of applause. Come on guys, where's the energy? Ashish, we would love to hear something from you. Can we have the mic, please?
What's up DME? नहीं नहीं सिर्फ इसी तरफ से शोर आ रहा है. DME है यार. एक बार फिर से. What's up DME? अब थोड़ा सा लग रहा है मेरे को अभी गरमाइश आई है. एक बार और कर देते हैं. इतना बढ़िया माहौल हो रखा है यार. मेरे को मालूम होता मैं ब्लेजर ये सूट नहीं पहन कर रहा था. मैं भी कार्गोस पहन कर आया था. एक बार तो सबसे पहले जोरदार तालियां आप सभी के लिए. बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हो यार. बहुत स्मार्ट लग रहे हो. पता नहीं क्यों इतने सालों बाद भी कॉलेज जाने में घबराहट होती है. पेट में चक्कर से आने लगते हैं. एक और बार कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा शोर चाहिए, जोश चाहिए. आसपास की बिल्डिंग्स में पता चल जाना चाहिए डीएमई में फेस्टिवल हो रहा है. व्हाट्स अप डीएमई? अब ये कुछ बात हुई. मेरा नाम आरजे आशीष है. आप लोगों ने शायद अपने बड़े भाई बहनों के साथ, मम्मी पापा के साथ कभी सुना होगा रेडियो पे कड़क लौंडे, किस्सा और आशीष. जी हाँ, बैंड बजाया करते थे, वही हैं. इंस्टाग्राम पे अलग अलग पहचान है मेरी. सर पायलागू ब्राउन मानिएगा, लेकिन ये नाम मिला हुआ है खिताब चुड़ैल आदमी के नाम से. पालक पत्ता चाट जो खाता है. और एक मेरे पापा का कॉल आता है जो बताते हैं कि बर्बाद औलाद आ गई है, जो झिंगूर से थार को चलाने की बात करते हैं. तो वैसे तो मैं आप लोगों से 6 महीने बड़ा हूं यार. हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. खुले आसमान के सामने जो झूठ बोले बिजली गिर जाए. बिजली गिरी नहीं. तो नहीं, मजाक से हटके बहुत ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा आपका. मुझे मालूम है जोश, जैसे कि सर ने बोला, बहुत हाई है. फेस्टिवल एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं, फेस्ट एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं. बस मैं इतना बोलना चाहूंगा कि आप अपनी जिंदगी के सबसे बेहतरीन पलों को जी रहे हो. और इन पलों में सब कुछ करना वो तुम कर भी रहे होगे. मैं भी कॉलेज से ही निकला हूं. वो कर भी रहे होगे, लेकिन बस 2 चीजों का ध्यान रखिएगा. एक्सेस में मत कर देना और सिर्फ एक इश्क मत करना. ये कॉलेज में होता है, मिलते हैं, जरूरी है, करना भी चाहिए. क्योंकि जब अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ हासिल करोगे ना और उस शख्स के साथ बैठे होगे जिसने आपको फ्रॉम नोवेयर देखा है, तब वो खुशी और बढ़ जाएगी. राइट. और एक चीज खास बात, बी विद द राइट पर्सन. अपनी सराउंडिंग्स को बहुत ही देखो, पढ़ाने के लिए आपके टीचर्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. दे आर ब्रिंगिंग द बेस्ट पीपल फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, ताकि आपको कुछ बता सकें, सिखा सकें, कुछ समझा सकें. लेकिन आपके जो आसपास में जो और भी लोग हैं ना, वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. यकीन मानना, एवरेज हो, बिलो एवरेज हो, बहुत ही बढ़िया हो, आपकी सोहबत, आपकी संगत जो है ना, वो आपको कहीं से कहीं लेके जा सकती है. मैं कोई ज्यादा खास एक्सीलेंट बच्चा नहीं था, बट ये था कि जो मेरे साथ वाले थे वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे को पहचानते थे एंड यूज्ड टू अप्रिशिएट मी कि तू कर लेगा. और मैं थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया. तो उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया उनका भी. और आप भी बस इसी बात को याद रखना. और टीचर्स जो बताते हैं, समझाते हैं, उसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान से. और जो मैंने बोला है कि सब कुछ करना, लेकिन लिमिट में रहते हुए, ताकि एंजॉय कर सको और उन बातों को बाद में कभी याद कर सको. ठीक है. बाकी थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी. थैंक यू सो मच डीएमई. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. enjoy. एक बार फिर से What's up DMA? बस अब आपको आपके नान और चुड़ैल आदमी पालक पत्ता चाट मुबारक हो.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now, to add some colors and energy to this beautiful evening, we have a special flamenco dance performance. This dance is full of grace, rhythm, and expressions. The beautiful movements and music will surely lift the mood. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this wonderful performance.
डार्लिंग आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो डार्लिंग आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो
डार्लिंग आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो रुको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो डार्लिंग आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो रुको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो लेकिन है बहारा बेचैन जाने यारा बुलबुलों को अभी इंतजार करने दो डार्लिंग आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो Cameras flashing like you got everybody's eyes and just you, and I see it too. Yeah, you can have anyone else you wanna do. I'm begging you. Hands up, Gabriella, Gabriella. Hands up, Gabriella, la la. Back off from my fella, Gabriella. Back off, Gabriella, la la. 'Cause you can have anyone else you wanted to. I'm begging you. Hands off, Gabriella, Gabriella. Hands off, Gabriella, la la, la la la. Skin on my red. ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझी ना सेन्योरिटा
चाहत के दो पल भी दिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेनोरिटा सुनो सुनो सेनोरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या
अच्छा नाम क्या बताया था लीलावती सरस्वती राधा जकिया मारिया चिकेरा चिकेरा बाला मोरिका मोरिया मोरिया Maria 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 Señorita Maria 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 baila conmigo Maria Maria te quiero Maria Maria
धड़का ये मेरा दिल से जाना तुझसे इसको लगाया तो जाना उफ ये मोहब्बत है एक कयामत उस पे तू मेरे साथ है Maria 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 Señorita Maria 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 baila conmigo Maria Maria te quiero Maria Maria
energetic performance. Very well done, guys.
Now, before we move to the next performance, let's take a moment to thank and appreciate our media partners and sponsors. Their constant support and contribution have played a big role in making Ritika 2025 such a wonderful and successful event.
And now it's time for the most awaited moment of the evening. The announcements of the winners of the competitions, various competitions held in Ritika 2025. Each participant showed immense creativity, confidence and talent across all categories, making this festival a true success. So let's hear it for the winners, and I request all my dignitaries and my guests to come on the stage for distributing the prizes. For the digital art, we have Priyansh Gupta from GEMS and Pragya Rai from DME Media. Yeah, sure. Priyansh Gupta from GEMS and Pragya Rai from DME Media School. Oh, okay. Priyanshu Gupta, congratulations. Give a huge round of applause for him. For Nukkar Natak, Mridam from Technia.
For Nukkar Natak, Mridang, please come to the stage.
Somebody from the Nukkar Natak team, please come and collect the prize.
Aanchal, please come on the stage and collect the prize on the behalf of the team. Everyone give a huge round of applause for the Nukkar Natak team who has won the first prize. Our next competition was photography and the first prize goes to Palak Sharma. Palak is from DME Media School. Can we have Palak Sharma on the stage, please? Everyone give a huge round of applause for Palak Sharma. Second prize goes to Chaitanya from GEMS. Can we have Chaitanya on the stage, please? Give a huge round of applause for Chaitanya from GEMS Greater Noida. Our next competition was reel making and the first prize goes to Vibhuti from DME Media School. अरे डीएमई वालों थोड़ी एनर्जी बढ़ाइए प्लीज, तालियां तो बजनी चाहिए.
Our next competition is short film, and Ravin Gracia from DSES and Ravi Chandra.
Our next is pitted. Our first winner is Arush Mathur from DME Management School. And the second prize goes to Sohail Kapoor and his group from DME Media School. A huge round of applause, everyone. Pitched second prize goes to Sohail Kapoor and his team from DME Media School. Our next competition was open mic, and the first prize goes to Divyansh Bisht from IIMT. Do we have Divyansh Bisht from IIMT? He's here. We would like to thank our gifting partners, Portronics. Congratulations, Divyansh. And the second prize goes to Shubham Vats from KCC ITM. Do we have Shubham Vats? Please come on the stage. I would request somebody from the DME team to kindly collect the award on behalf of Shubham. Next we have digital art, and the first prize goes to Priyansh Gupta from GIMS. Do we have Priyansh? Everyone, give a huge round of applause for Priyansh. And the second prize goes to Pragya Rai from DME Media School. Can we have Pragya on the stage, please? Next competition, debate, and the first prize goes to Praveen Agarwal from iZomes. Do we have Praveen Agarwal from iZomes? Second prize goes to Kashish Mishra from GIMS. We have Kashish with us from GIMS. Thank you to Portronics for sponsoring our gifts. Lastly, our second winner for reel making is Vaibhav Rai from Indraprastha Engineering College. Do we have Vaibhav? Okay, Vaibhav is here. What's the name? Lastly, we have cinema quiz, and the winner is Sampan Singh and his team from GKFTII. Give a huge round of applause, everyone. Do we have the winners of cinema quiz? And the second prize goes to Shlok Devgan and his team from DME Media School.
Congratulations once again to all the winners and participants. Each one of you has contributed to making Vritika 2025 a grand success.
Thank you all the dignitaries. And now, to keep that festival spirit alive, we bring to you a traditional dance form that celebrates joy, culture, and togetherness. A vibrant Gidda performance which is known for its lively beats and graceful moves. Beautifully represents the colorful spirit of Punjab. So everyone, get ready to clap along, smile wide, and soak in the happiness of energetic performance bring. Let's welcome our talented performers with a huge round of applause. Okay. There is a change, okay. We are changing it little bit. गिद्दा के लिए थोड़ा और wait कर लो. हमारे पास और भी performances हैं. Just wait. Let me decide what I want to show you now. So guys, we have already prepared a jazz dance performance with the beautiful moves and expressions. So enjoy the jazz dance performance, guys.
नहीं ये बातें हैं पुरानी, कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। थामा हाँ रोका इसको किसने, हाँ ये तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। ला 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 ला, zu 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 zu।
जगमगाती लड़कियां, ये झिलमिलाती लड़कियां, जिनके दीवाने तुम भी तो हो। हंसती गाती लड़कियां, ये खिलखिलाती लड़कियां, चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो। इन सब के मन इनकी धड़कन, सुनो जरा सपने क्या है इन आँखों में, दिल में है क्या अरमान।
Girls like to swing.
जरा आगे निकल के, नए रंगों में ढल के, अंदाज बदल के, मस्ती में है जीना, जीवन रस पीना, ये बात हुई ना, अब शर्माना नहीं। तुरुम 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 तुरुम।
What a performance, what a performance. Give a huge round of applause. I can't hear your applause.
And now, moving ahead, we have a very special moment that celebrates the work and creativity of our media student. The unveiling of Ritika 2025 newsletter. This newsletter captured true essence of the festival. This event, emotion and unforgettable memories created over the past 2 days.
What makes this achievement even more special is that our talented newsletter team has managed to create 2 complete editions in just 36 hours. That's an incredible example of teamwork, dedication, and journalistic excellence. Their commitment to covering every highlight and bringing the festival to life through words and visuals truly deserves appreciation. So ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming the Ritika newsletter team comprising of Rajshri Sharma as a student content editor and Alab Mundepi and Achal Jha as a student creative editors. On the stage for the grand unveiling of the Ritika. And I request Chetna ma'am, Yogesh sir on the stage and Lakshita ma'am also. Let's give them a huge round of applause for their creativity, efforts and spirit.
Ladies and gentlemen, Delhi Metropolitan Education presents Journalism at DME, the official newsletter of DME Media School. Let's have a huge round of applause. gentlemen, Delhi Metropolitan Education presents Journalism at DME, the official newsletter of DME Media School. Let's have a huge round of applause.
Give a huge round of applause. And now, to keep that festival spirit alive, we bring to you a traditional dance form that celebrates joy, culture, and togetherness. A vibrant Gidda performance is finally here, guys. Cheer up! Which is known for its lively beats and graceful movements, beautifully represents the colorful spirit of Punjab. So everyone, get ready to clap along, smile wide, and soak in the happiness that this energetic performance brings. Let's welcome our talented performers with a huge round of applause as they light up the stage with their cheerful and powerful Gidda.
बस नाल रखी दे शह गया कोई नी माए दिल ले गया दिल ले गया दिल ले गया कोई मैं कड़ा भी कर गईया हुन हर गईया नी सह गया कोई नी माए दिल ले गया दिल ले गया दिल ले गया कोई मैं कड़ा भी कर गईया हुन हर गईया नी सह गया कोई
आजा मेरी पीक नू हुलारा दे के जाई वे पावा कोई बात तू हुंगारा दे के जाई वे ओ पैस में सजेड़ा सोची बैठी तेरे नाल वे उमरा दा साथ सरदारा दे के जाई रंग मुखड़े दा हो गया संधूरी वे आ हुण झल्ली नहीं हो जांदी मैथों दूरी वे मैं दिन जे लंघावदी फिरां
उठाउंदी तेरी याद वे माण मत्तिया सताउंदी तेरी याद वे पिंड साडा मैनू जीवा जीवा लगदा ते तेरा कोरे वाला लगे दानाबाद वे ओ मलवैया वे उच्चे जे कद वालिया मैनू अल्लाह कोलों लेखा च लिखा लिया सो हुण इतों बाद बैसना फजूल है कबूल है कबूल है कबूल है मुंडा संगिया दा टालदा सी पूरे एक साल दा ओ चंदरी सटैल वंजदी ओ छिड़ी बन्ने चन्ने गल जी दी टौर दी ओ रानियां लाहौर दी ओ मित्तरां दा दिल मंगदी बन्ने चन्ने गल जी दी टौर दी ओ रानियां लाहौर दी ओ मित्तरां दा दिल मंगदी
ओ आ की करी जाने हो गरिमा मैम ने तो बोलिया पाण नू किया सी
energetic and heartwarming Gita performance. That was the vibrant moves and colorful spirits of Punjab truly will give a huge round of applause again. Woo!